I wish I could keep him.
Oh, he's cool.
That is a crazy looking color.
Let's cover him so nobody steps on him.
We just got to Devil's Courthouse. We are driving down the Blue Ridge Parkway and trying to make it to Black Balsam Knob. We've hiked it before, but my mother-in-law has not, and she was gonna hike it with us. But it's been really rainy out, and since it was raining, it's pretty chilly now. So we're all like cozied up, trying to stay warm. And we passed Devil's Courthouse, and we decided to stop and hike this because somebody told us it was a really short hike, a bit steep, but totally worth it because there's a gorgeous view. So we're gonna take on this hike, the 5 of us, and hopefully it's worth it just like they said. Well, this is neat. The view up here is pretty nice. I bet if it wasn't cloudy it would be even nicer, but still, it is pretty cool.
I can't even see where we parked anymore. We are literally like in the clouds.
The clouds luckily cleared up a little bit at the top, so we got to see an awesome view. And it was breathtaking, to say the least. It was really nice. nothing but mountains for miles and miles, and they were just such a rich green color, like different shades of green, but so rich and vibrant, and it was really pretty. I could have stayed up there all day, and it was very windy though. My hat almost flew off, so I had to turn it around. Definitely worth it. It's a very short trail, but it is kind of steep, a little slippery today, probably because it rained, but other than that, it's a good short workout and an incredible view. Something you should definitely do if you're in the area. It's right along the Blue Ridge Parkway, and it says Devil's Courthouse Overlook, and then there's a trail like just down the street. It's awesome.
I wish I could keep him.
Oh, he's cool.
That is a crazy looking color.
Here you go, buddy.
Put him in the grass.
Let's cover him so nobody steps on him. I think we should hide him. I don't think so. He's hurt.
He's doing okay.
Shock or something.
I don't know about
Here,
this.
Put your other hand over here.
No! Ah! Got you, buddy. I don't know about this.
There, let him, now put your other hand in there. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Oh, poor little thing. His legs are so cold. Don't go off the sides, buddy.
Mr. Backpack.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Are you talking to the tree?
Yeah, nice to meet you, sir.
Wow, this is awesome.
Yeah, I was like, whoa. This blew my mind.
No, we went a different way. There's like multiple. We passed all these trailheads. In a big trailhead with like bathrooms.
We are now at Black Balsam Knob, and we're hiking up the opposite way we came last time. It has some really beautiful hikes. It's a very rugged hike. It has some very beautiful views.
I believe they're called black balsam trees.
Or black balsam fir, maybe.
Yeah, maybe
'Cause they
black
look like-
balsam fir.
They look like Christmas trees, like
Yeah.
giant ones.
But you come to these forests of black balsam firs, or whatever they're called, and it's just like a canopy of that forest. You have just so much room to walk, and it's just so beautiful. We actually saw people setting up like tents in there, and it's just like a little forest house.
Yeah.